Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art with Tanish and today we will draw sportsman LeBron James. So we will draw a realistic sketch today. So let's make it. Just take a B pencil and just spread it all over here and here. And also spread it over here. And now extend the lines . Just again applied the B pencil shade. After making the skin, we will move towards the eyes because eyes are also the main important feature of the portrait drawings. If eyes are not good, the portrait will not look good. Okay, so now we are done. So now we will blend it with the help of a turtle. Take a soft charcoal pencil and apply it here. Also make the eyebrows with the charcoal pencil only because charcoal pencil is the darkest of all. Now real color, we will shade the in part of the eye. So the inner part of the eye is shaded. Now we will use a charcoal pencil to make the outline of this nose because nose is also very dark. Now you will also make an outline of the scar. Then the nose. Also shade the inner part of the mouth. Now we will take a hard charcoal pencil and then we will shade the lips. Now again take the soft charcoal pencil and apply it here. Just shade this part of nose in dark. Now we will draw the beard. For making the beard, we will again use a charcoal pencil. We have to use it very darkly. So we can also use a woodless pencil stick also of charcoal pencil to make the beard. Or we can also use the charcoal sticks. So let's open this. Now we will make the shade lighter. And now again dark. In the hair only. Without using other shade, you can use the soft as lighter. So it will also work correctly. See. I have also used some hard. Now I am going to use these two. Now some medium. And now we are done. So we will again shade by the soft charcoal pencil. So now we are done with the beard, but now we have to use the charcoal soft to shade up the hair. So let's get start, and this will work because the soft is the darkest. So I wanted to also tell you that after filling this, I have also gave a extra layer to the skin to make it more realistic. So the skin is looking good now, and now we will blend it. So let's blend this and let's see the result. So the results are very good. I have also shaded the neck. So I have used the 8B pencil to shade this neck. The neck is also blended very good with the help of the tortillon. As I told you, if you do not have a blending stump, you can use the best way of blending, that is tissue paper. It is like the blending stump. So let's blend all the neck. So now we will blend the